Oh, look.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, bit of fluff.
Oh.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, welcome to our behind the scenes video. What we're going to be doing, Annie?
We're going to be fixing our fridge because we've had a problem with it on gas when we've been off-gridding. And our last round hill trip is when we discovered the problem, which is in episode 12.
Yeah.
So
We've not been able to go off-grid since then, have we?
No,
No.
we haven't.
So now we've got some time on our hands. We've had Christmas. Happy New Year, by the way. We've got
Birthdays.
birthdays. It's been a very busy time for us, hasn't it?
Very.
So we have been a bit quiet on YouTube. But we're back for 2025. Now, regards to the fridge, we did speak to a gas engineer, didn't we?
We did.
Before Christmas. And he said, look, before I come out, try these 3 things. It may work, and then you save yourself some pennies. So that's what we're going to do today, isn't it?
It is.
3 simple tasks. And spoiler alert, if you're watching this video, we've probably succeeded, haven't we?
We have.
Because we wouldn't want to waste your time. So let's crack on, shall we?
Yes.
So the first thing we need to do is get this panel off, because we need to change the battery in the ignition. And for that, we're going to need, mind out the way, Chewy, we're going to need a tool. What tool we're going to use?
I think you've got enough there, haven't you?
Oh, I think there's a bit overkill, isn't it, really? But yeah, we just need a screwdriver, don't we? Okay, so we've got the 2 screws out. I pull out the Ujima flippers. This should come away now. There we go. And there's the ignition switch. Turn that. There we go. And then
Let's just see if we are thinking what battery it is.
I think you're right. I think it's going to be a AAA. It is a AAA. Okay. Okay. Brand new AAA. Plus goes in first. Turn and lock. Locks in place there. Jobs are good, and that's that one done. Okay, make sure the connections are still okay. All looks good. There's the gauge. Okay. Let's put it back together. Have I got my torch?
You have, which I put new batteries in as well.
Oh, I think AAA as well.
I think they are actually.
Okay. That's all good. Let's put the screws back in. Can't say. Okay. Put the Ujima flippers back in. On. That will be about there. Okay. Chewy, be quiet, boy. Okay.
That is definitely working.
Can you hear that?
I can hear that.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
Okay. That's step 1 done. Change the battery to AAA. And I've got to be honest, when we bought the Caravan, I thought that ran off 12 volt, didn't I? We didn't know it had a battery in there, did we?
We had no idea.
So it's all part of the learning curve. Right, let's move to step 2. So we're going to need to turn the gas on for the next bit. There we go. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, phase 2, is we're going to draw the gas through and make sure there's no airlocks. So line them up, Annie. 1, 2. That's it. So we're going to leave that on for a couple of minutes. Hey Mav, you're up, boy. Having a nice lazy day. Okay, we've had that gas going long enough now, we can shut that off, Annie. And our next job is we've got some compressed air here, spray duster. We're going to find the burner and give it a good blowout.
Exciting.
Right, let's go and do that. Right, let's remove these frost covers. Obviously it's Baltic here in the UK. So let's remove these. One. Yes, the caravan's dirty.
That's the next job, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, so we've removed the frost covers. Now just to remove this lower cover. It's down, down, and then up. That's it. It comes off nice and easy. I don't know if you can see that, Annie, but the burner. Just let me grab the camera a minute. The burner is right down inside there. So what I'm going to do is give it a good blowout with this compressed air. Give it a good shake. Great content, eh? Okay. Let's go. There we go. Oh, look.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, bit of fluff.
Oh.
Let's see if we can get right in there. Need a longer straw, really. Here we go. Okay. Let's put the vent back on, because there's nothing more we can do there now. Alright, for the moment of truth, we've done the 3 steps. We've changed the battery, AAA, run the gas through the hob, make sure there's no airlocks, taken the lower vent off on the fridge outside, fridge vents, sorry, and given it a good blowout, haven't we?
We have.
Right, let's go. Gas. Oh, come on, this has not worked for 4 months.
It hasn't, has it?
Press that, don't I? There we go.
Yay.
Oh, that sounded good.
That did. And has a dial gone to green?
It's going. It's going. Yes.
You fixed it, Martin.
I've actually fixed something.
Hey, this is good.
That's working. Yeah.
Perfect. We can now go off gridding again.
Yeah. Oh, well done you.
No, well done you. Thank you.
Well done,
My
boys.
fridge back.
Right, let's put the frost vents back on. Next job, clean the caravan. Must remember to turn the gas off. What's that one? And what we'll do is we'll keep this compressed air in our cleaning bucket back there, all our cleaning supplies. We'll just keep it there in case we need it. Again. Job's a good one. Well, I surprise myself sometimes. I actually fix something, didn't I?
My husband is a superstar.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let's hope it wasn't just a fluke and that it is fixed. But we'll find out, because we'll be doing a lot of off-grid videos, aren't we, this year?
Hopefully,
So,
fingers crossed.
so I think our next trip is going to be Stockbridge, I think.
Not too far away, and it's a
No.
lovely little village.
Yep, looking forward to that. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye.
And I